Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JLL R200 rowing machine and you need to replace the batteries on the display. Maybe you already know you needed to replace the batteries, or maybe you're wondering what's going on because the display is not working or it's turned off or something like that. Very often it's just because the batteries are dead and you need to replace the batteries, and they're really easy to replace. It's just two AA batteries. If you don't have two AA batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for real cheap and free shipping and everything like that. But basically all we need to do is this clip down here at the bottom. We're just going to come in and press on this clip, and that's going to release this whole monitor display unit from the base. And once it'll just kind of pop off the base, at which point we'll just turn it around. And you'll see, if you turn around on the back, you'll see the two AA batteries in there. Just pop the old ones out, pop the new ones back in, and then you're just going to pop this display right back on, and it'll kind of click back on the way it just clicked off here using this little thing here to release it. And that's really all there is to it. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.